2018 Avalon, or it could be a 2017 or a 19. My speakers in the rear doors aren't working. I'm gonna go ahead and take this door panel off. So first you want to take out this little panel, and then there's a screwdriver, or I mean a Phillips screw right there. Go ahead and get that out. And then right here, you're gonna take this plastic pry bar and pry up this panel right here from right here. Do it very gently. Sorry about the autofocus there. Go ahead and get this up, and then disconnect that connector. There's a little spot for a finger or a tool to fit. Push that little tab and you can pull that connector out. Once that's out, we'll put this over here, and there's another Phillips screw right here. Get this out. This one's a little bigger. Try not to drop it. Now, before you try to take the door panel off like this, there's going to be another screw. So lift this panel up right here, which wiggle it. Wiggling will be your best friend. Just wiggle and pull it up. Once you get this off, you can get this screw out right here. And then you could wiggle that little long part out off that panel too. You could just kind of turn it. Don't lose those red tabs. Go ahead and do this. Get this off right here. Go and unscrew that. And once that's off, you can lift the door panel up and out. And then you're going to have to disconnect the cables for the lock and the handle. So you just pull these out like this. Just gently wiggle and pull them out, and then you could take the little ball part out of its little home. Same for the green side. Let's go ahead and get those out. And then we'll put this to the side, somewhere safe where it's not going to get stepped on or trampled. Here's my speaker right here. They're held in by 3 screws, and you got your connector right here. Just go ahead and squeeze this tab and then pull this up. Try not to pull no wires out of the connector. And then we got these 3 screws right here. Go ahead and get these screws out, and then this speaker comes right out. It's pretty light. Anyways, we're going to test it. We're just going to test the ohmage across these 2 terminals in there. Right there. We're just going to use a voltmeter and test the continuity. So I have it on 2K right here on the resistance. Now we're just going to touch these 2 terminals in here. So I touch my leads together, make sure it has continuity, and then I'm going to touch these terminals to make sure that there's continuity. There should be about 0.015. Okay, so it just says OL, that means open loop, open circuit. So that means that there's no continuity in this coil in the speaker. So I got a new one. This is from Toyota. Here's my part number. Right there. These are pricey little buggers, about 400, 500 bucks. I'm going to test the continuity on a new one, 0.01314 kilo ohms. Alright, so that's good. Or I said K ohms, I believe that's kilo ohms. So I went and put my new one in and plug it in, and it was good, it worked. So I gotta put my panel back on. I'm just gonna breeze through this panel part, but you basically put the panel back on, get your 2 screws on. Go ahead and put this panel back on right here, gently. And then we got this one, we got to plug this one in. Make sure your red little tabs are on there. So, plugged it in, put that in. And then this guy goes back in, this little panel. And that's it. Anyways guys, hope this video helps you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks for watching.